We saved this rocking chair from the attic of my dad's barn. We know he wanted to refinish it himself, but didn't get the chance. These are the fabrics Emily chose for the seat. Joe stabilized the chair with wooden dowels. He then gave a light sanding to keep as much of the old charm as possible. I paired random squares, sewed on two sides, then cut down the middle. I then paired them with other sets, making this quilt top as scrappy as possible. Each square finished at 2 inches by 2 inches. I quilted this pretty top using a wavy stitch. This gives it texture as well as durability. Here you see the lovely new stain on the rocking chair, as well as a new platform base and new thick foam for the pad. We used a staple gun to secure the quilted top to the wooden base and a hammer to flatten down some of the bulk.
Oh my gosh!
This beautiful rocking chair now lives in a kindergarten classroom where Emily reads books to the children. I know Dad would love this.